Right, this is the first time using this. What I've got is an endoscope in an overhead to the router bit. I've got a little plastic film on top of the screen with the router bit traced around, and I've got a pattern on a piece of wood. Don't know if we can see it yet. And a piece of blank stuck to the back. So I've got to set the depth. I'm going to go up in 1mm increments. So about there. I'm going to try and follow the line of that. I've got to get the direction right, so I want to go that way on that outside first. So I want to follow my centre line down to the point. Let's go. It looks a mess, but it needs sanding. So, and I've just got to repeat that 3 times to get to the bottom, and I'll come back in another section. Right, after 3 passes, I've got that, which looks right. I'll just have to cut round that with a craft knife. Then I'm going to print out a copy of that, stick it to the top, make sure it's all good. I didn't leave any clearance to the edges, so probably should have left a 0.5mm clearance. And once it is, I can use the pin router to make 10 copies. And the reason I need the copies is the way, oh god, I've dropped one. The way that these things form points. I've got a bevel. And the bevel's got to be the right angle. I'm sure I got it right, but I want to test my theory, so I'm just doing some ones that I can glue together, just little test pieces that I can glue together, bevel, glue together, and make sure that the points are going to come out right. Right, there's the finished piece, and I've got one of my actual workpiece pieces, and I want to make sure they line up, the angles are the same, that lines up dead smooth to it, and the other end dead smooth to it, lovely. So those are going to be good to test this theory. Make sure I get my bevels right. Alright, thanks.